Don't know if that was makeup or the cut. That girl in the car, you can skip backwards if you weren't looking. It looked like she had a massive scratch on her face. Or it was makeup or a tattoo. You're in Sant Boi, Hugo. I'm probably totally pronouncing that wrong. What's that graffiti say? You like graffiti, don't you, Hugo? Street art. Track. You like your train tracks? I like your Star Wars hoodie there, old school. What do you want? Do you want your stick? Ah, you want your blue train? There you go. Get your blue train. You got it. God, I've seen a lot of bars in Sant Boi, I'll tell you. And it's such a small town. There's loads. Wonder what a Friday, Saturday night is like here, huh? Music and karaoke at P9. There's so many bars. Imagine the bar crawl. Right, let's go this way. Turning right as well. Do you want any agua, senor? No? I think you're just happy in your own little world right now. Think you tired yourself out, huh? The train bridge, yeah, we'll do that on our return. But yeah, if you need, I don't know, if you're feeling like a chilled out day when you're in Barcelona, I recommend coming here on a Sunday. I've enjoyed just having a walk around a quiet town, grabbing a lunch. They had that nice park and these surrounding hills, so yeah, if you felt like just a relaxing day, maybe you're brutally hungover, come over here and unwind.